Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Cody Carpenter here, and in this video I'm going to be covering what my process is when I'm choosing potential affiliate offers to run with my Bing Ads campaigns. So let's dive on in. I got a few slides prepared. So these are just some of the questions I'd like to think about. So when I'm going through, let's say I'm on MaxBounty and I'm looking for an offer to promote, one of the questions I ask myself is this offer in an evergreen niche or not? And what an evergreen niche is, it's like, for example, weight loss. There's always going to be heavy people wanting to buy something to lose weight. I mean, that's going to be here for the long run. So like teeth whitening would be another one. There's always going to be a demand for that. An example of an offer that is not an evergreen niche would be just trendy products that come and go, that aren't here for the long run. And I'm not saying that you have to promote evergreen niches. I'm just saying you can have a lot of luck choosing a trending product, but once that trend is over, your cash flow is going to be over because it's going to dive real fast. So an evergreen niche or not, that is one of the most important questions. And yeah, so next slide. How does a landing page look on desktop versus tablet versus mobile? So I only have my computer and my iPhone at the moment. I don't have a tablet. I used to, but you're going to want to pull up the offer page on your computer, on your phone, and see how it looks. This is one thing that I overlooked when I first started out with affiliate marketing. I would just, on my Bing Ads campaigns, I would target laptops, desktops, tablets, and phones without ever looking how the landing page actually looks on my phone versus my computer. And a good example was a skincare product that I was promoting. I was targeting all three of these, desktop, tablet, and phone. And I had my tracking set up, and I was spending about $30 to $40 a day on Bing Ads, and I let it run for about a week, and then I checked my results, and it turned out that every sale that I was getting was coming from desktop. And I was like, what the heck? The offer said that it was mobile opted, so it said that it had a great mobile page, and I pulled it up on my phone, and it was not good. So one thing to remember is that some offers say that they are mobile opt. They will say mobile opt, but they aren't. So you always have to test it. I guarantee each and every one of you have your smartphone. So it takes about a minute to pull up a page on your phone and check it out, and it is so worth it. And then another thing, so once you test out how it looks on your phone versus if you have a tablet or your desktop, you can target those specific devices on Bing Ads, and you can also split test in separate ad groups. So that's another thing to think about. Another question to ask yourself is, how fast does this offer page load? And this is something I've learned in the past after buying all these training courses. You can actually test the speed of the offer page by using gtmetrix.com, and I'll go over an example of that. And it you just give them your offer page URL, and it runs a whole scan on your website, and it ranks your load speed from A to F. So with that said, let's hop into MaxBounty, and I'm going to give you guys a little overview of how I find my campaigns. So keep in mind, I am going to be working on setting up a Bing Ads campaign. So for traffic types, I'm in the search campaigns tab right here. I'm going to deselect everything but search. Okay, so you can also go into countries, categories, and subcategories. And I'll quickly go over some of the good categories that work on Bing Ads. So automotive, BizOp is a good one. Business to business. Dating is a good one. I haven't really gone too deep in it, but I've heard a lot of success stories about people promoting dating products. Downloads, e-com is a good one. Education, email submits. Watch out for these. There's a lot that don't record conversions. They're kind of sketchy offers. Financial, free stuff, gaming, health is always going to be a huge niche. Holiday, insurance, legal, mobile subscription, psych, medium, real estate. That's a good one for Bing Ads. Remember that Bing/Yahoo users are generally a little bit older and they have more money to spend. So real estate/home improvement, that's a good niche. Then surveys, watch out. Some survey offers are sketchy, I found, but there are good ones. You just gotta really do your research. And then sweepstakes and travel. So for this example, I'm going to go with health. That's a very popular one. There's a lot of competition for it too. And then there's also subcategories for health. You can go beauty, diet, fitness, and wellness. I'll just go health in general in those subcategories. You can choose your CPA type if you want to get paid per lead or percentage of sale. I'll leave that on any, and then search. And now every offer that gets pulled up, you will see will have this little search icon, because we made sure that it had to have search, and that was the only one we had checked. So once I search that, you can go through the campaigns, or you can go through all the campaigns just like this, or you can sort them out by the highest paying by just clicking CPA rate. Look at $100 per lead is the highest. It's Medifast weight loss meals. $100 per lead. And then you can also sort it out by earnings per click. So you can go through and see what the highest earnings per clicks are. They're not 100% accurate. So I'll just go by CPA rate. Spartagen XT, Vision RX, these keto pills, blood pressure, Green Force Keto, Marine D3 blood sugar, a lot of keto, CBD organics, CLA safflower oil, fat burner. I didn't even know that this was still on here, to be honest. Let's see if they changed their... Oh yeah, that's a nice landing page. So here's CLA safflower oil, and it's international: US, Canada, UK, Ireland. So these weight loss pills, they're always killing it on Bing Ads. Then once you choose your offer, I'm not saying I'm choosing this, but for this example I'll use it because I haven't seen this offer in a while. 68 per lead. You can just check. Most of these you'll have to apply to run, and your daily cap is 10 actions. So if you hit your daily cap, you'll be making $680 per day. It's pretty good. If you show consistent sales, they can up your actions per day. Devices allowed, all devices and operating systems. Mobile optimized, yes. We will see about that because I will pull this up on my phone and see how it looks. Don't be fooled by them saying yes. They might not have a good mobile landing page, and they just want to say that they do so they can get more traffic. So that's what we'll be testing. So anyways, you guys get the picture. Look through it. Let's build our tracking link. I'm going to do search, creative search. Here's our link. And then let's take this link and go and test the speed at which it loads and analyze. And it might take a little bit depending on which offer you're putting in, but sometimes it's taken up to like a minute and a half to load, so we'll see how fast this one does. Okay, so it finished up. It only took like 40 seconds or so. So once it's done, it'll generate this full report for you, and you can go through and just check out all the details. The fully loaded time was 3.9 seconds. And this is kind of on the lower side. The page speed score is a D at 60%. The average page speed score is 72%. So if you get around 72%, obviously you'll get a C because that's average. So sometimes you will have offers that will have a page speed score of D, but that doesn't mean you can't make a lot of money with it promoting it with Bing Ads. So yeah, obviously it's a little slower than the average website, but I mean, maybe by a second or two. If the fully loaded time is anything past 5 seconds, or let's say 5 or 6 seconds, then I'd be worried about it. But 3.9, that's not too bad, especially because there's a lot of content on this page, a lot of images that take up more time to be loaded. Okay, so we tested the page speed. Now let's see if it is actually mobile optimized. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to email this link to my phone so I can open it, and then I'll put a mobile screen recorded version on this page, so I will be back. Okay, so I pulled up the mobile version, and it's going to be on your screen over here. So it looks pretty good. The hottest weight loss solution. Okay, yeah, they have this safe buy, inspected and monitored, guaranteed in the bottom left corner. I like that. It stays with it the whole time. It's got Dr. Oz. You can see it kind of cut off the safflower. Overall, it's pretty good. Yeah. I've seen a lot worse. So, yeah, overall, I give it about a B for its landing page experience for mobile. So, yeah, they actually did pretty good. So, I'm going to close on that. So, that is how simple it is to test your mobile offer sales page. And it is such an important thing to do because some of them will just look totally nasty. So, that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned a lot. I just wanted to go over what I consider when I'm choosing my offers. So, yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.